create 3 folders inside your Obsidian Vault. One called Planning, one called Projects, and one called Knowledge. That's the entire folder structure for your Founder OS right there. Just 3 containers that will hold everything you need to run your business. Obsidian is an ideal tool for this because every note you write can be instantly linked to any other note. So as your business grows, your knowledge base grows right along with it, without ever feeling scattered or overwhelming. If this walkthrough helps you get organized, please like and subscribe, and let's build this step by step. Inside your planning folder, create a new note and name it Founder Dashboard. This note will become the home screen of your entire operating system, the first thing you open each morning. Type a level 1 heading that says Founder Dashboard, then add 6 level 2 headings for today's priorities, business goals, active projects, upcoming meetings, important notes, and quick links. Under each heading, insert a dash or a bullet point so you can start filling things in as soon as you begin your workday. The real power of this dashboard is that it forces you to look at the same set of critical items every single day, which prevents you from getting lost in the weeds of email or Slack. A common mistake here is trying to make the dashboard too detailed. Keep it to 1 page and only list what you absolutely need to see right now. You can always drill into deeper notes from the links you'll add later. Now that your dashboard is ready, go back to the planning folder and create separate notes for your business planning documents. I recommend starting with a note for your annual business goals, another for weekly planning, and a third for important decisions or decisions logs. The reason you keep these as separate notes rather than cramming everything into the dashboard is that long-term progress becomes much easier to review over time. For example, if you run a monthly review, you can simply look at your decision log notes in date order and see exactly what you were thinking 3 months ago. One tip that saves founders a lot of time: create a template for your weekly planning note. In Obsidian, you can set up a template with today's date automatically inserted, so every Monday you just hit a button and start writing. Next, open your Projects folder and create a note called Project Manager. This note works much like your dashboard, but focused entirely on active work. Add a level 1 heading called Project Manager, then add sections for active projects, a table of project details with columns for status, priority, and deadline, plus sections for tasks, progress updates, and related notes. The beauty of this note is that you can see every project you're running in one glance. As you add more projects over time, you might create individual project notes inside the projects folder and link them here, but for now, this single note will handle the overview. A practical tip: use Obsidian's Properties panel at the top of the note to add a field called Status and give it values like Active, On Hold, or Complete. That way, you can sort or search your projects later without even opening the note. Now move to the Knowledge folder and create a note called Knowledge Hub. This is your business reference library. Add a level 1 heading for the hub, then sections for business documentation, research, resources, ideas, and notes. This hub is where you park anything you might need later: competitor analysis, market research, brand guidelines, or even notes from a podcast you listen to. The reason this folder is separate from planning and projects is simple: planning changes every week, projects eventually finish, but knowledge stays relevant forever. A good habit is to use the Knowledge Hub as a dumping ground during the day. Then spend 5 minutes at the end of the week linking each note to wherever it's most useful. Now it's time to weave everything together using Obsidian's internal linking. Open your Founder dashboard and type double square brackets around the word Project Manager. This creates a clickable link that jumps straight to your Project Manager note. Do the same for Knowledge Hub. Then go into your Project Manager and link back to the Founder dashboard and to any specific project notes you've created. In your Knowledge Hub, link to any relevant planning notes or project notes. This linking is what transforms a bunch of isolated text files into a proper operating system. You're essentially building a web of connected information that mirrors how your brain actually works when you're solving problems. One edge case to watch for: if you rename a note later, Obsidian will ask if you want to update all links, which is a huge time saver compared to fixing broken connections manually. Add properties to your most important notes. Properties are those fields at the top of a note that let you store structured data like status, priority, category, owner, deadline, and last updated. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner of any note, choose Add Property, and type the property name. Then fill in the value. For example, in your Project Manager, you might add a property called Category and set it to Active. Properties become especially powerful once you have more than a dozen notes, because you can use Obsidian's search and filter tools to find everything with a certain status or deadline in seconds. Beginners often skip properties because they seem unnecessary at first, but adding them now saves you from having to reorganize everything later. Use tags to categorize your notes across folder boundaries. In any note, type a hash symbol followed by a category like hash business, hash strategy, hash project, hash meeting, hash finance, or hash marketing. Tags are more flexible than folders because a single note can have multiple tags, so a meeting note might be tagged both hash meeting and hash project. This makes filtering much easier as your vault grows. A word of caution, don't go overboard. Start with 5 to 10 tags that reflect the major areas of your business, and only add new ones when you notice a real need. Finally, establish a simple daily workflow. Start your day by opening the Founder dashboard, reviewing your priorities, and checking your active projects section. Then open the Project Manager to update the status of any work in progress. Whenever you come across research or an idea, drop it into the Knowledge Hub with a few tags and a link to the relevant project. End your day by marking completed tasks in your planning notes and updating your decision log if anything important happened. The whole cycle takes less than 10 minutes, but it keeps your business information clean and actionable. A mistake many new founders make is spending hours perfecting their Founder OS instead of actually working on their business. Remember, this system is meant to serve you, not the other way around. Start with these 3 folders and 3 notes. Use them for a week, then add 1 new note or link at a time as you see what's missing. You now have a complete scalable workspace that connects your planning, projects, and knowledge in one place. If you ever feel like you're getting lost, just open the Founder dashboard. Everything you need is 2 clicks away. Thanks for building along, and save this video so you can revisit these steps whenever you add a new project or idea.